that I could hear the howling of the wolves near my house. But when I blow a whistle, they all appear and surrounded me. Am I in danger, or are they gonna let me go? But unexpectedly, I become a friend of wolves. They accept me as their family. I feel much safer than before. We go hunt, we go sleep, we wake up and hunt again. I become a friend of wolves. One night, an invasion happens. I rush in to aid the fallen wolves that I won't let go. You can't take their lives away. The outside has become dangerous, that I could hear the howling of wolves lurking about. I become